when I got the role, I was told everything, like how they have been searching and how big this is and everything. For me, more than that, for me, what was interesting and captivating was that Kiar, I was getting a chance to play a character with so much of intensity on different level. Like she's cute, she's independent, she's strong, she's vulnerable, she's everything. So, and then when I got to know about the people who I was going to work with, Ken sir, Ekta ma'am, Karan Kundra, yours truly, Karan Kundra, and everyone else, I was really, and you know what? Then when I went on the set, I realized that this was much more than what I was expecting, and even I was like, wow, this is so beautiful. I was completely impressed by the way they were shooting it, by the way uh, the visuals and everything. So yeah, I'm blessed.
Apart from the show being based in the 60s and the 70s, Ronabi's character needed a lot of research. If not research, then he needed a lot of thinking from my side. Um, I always try to do something unique with the characters that I get, but also at the same time, they're very me. So yes, I did think about a lot of stuff that was going on in the 60s, what college life was at that time, what India was like at that time, what was available, what were kids doing at that time, what sports were they into. There was no internet, there were no phones, TV was hardly anything, we only had Doordarshan. What was the kind of music that youngsters used to listen to? Um, so what was travel like then, what was reading like then, what who were the superstars at that time, what were the films like, what was happening in the political scenario at that time, international, what was happening, so all of that. And the fact that 60s had a more laid back life when it comes to the pace of how we live today compared to what we live today, how we live today. So yes, there's a lot that went into him. At the same time, Ronabir is also a very tough character to portray, because there's a thin line between being naughty and being vulgar. There's a thin line between being real and being an ass. So he is an ass, but he's also somebody that you would also not hate. You want to hate this person, but you really can't hate that person. So yep, he's cute. It's retro. And 60s and 70s, a lot of styling references was sent, a lot of back and forth happened, some costumes were made. I had to lose a lot of weight because I wanted to look good in the bell bottoms, and there was a body type that used to be there at that time. People used to not go heavy duty gymming the way we do these days. So I had to lose a lot of things. My hair had to go really crazy. Fashion was very different at that time. Body language was very different at that time. Dance was very different at that time. So yes, a lot of back and forth went, and finally we came up with the looks that you see now, which you will see in the show as well.
So for me, like in my real life, I have a very vintage and retro fashion. I love 90s. For Kusum, when I got to know that I'll have this, I'll get a chance for that kind of fashion and look. But my fashion from Kusum was completely different. Kusum 60s is very simple. Kusum is the most simple look, I think, in the whole, the most simple character, look wise. And in 70s, she's wearing sari and the bun, and then there's this little thing, like her own identity, you can say, a bindi, which is small bindi in 60s, it goes a little bigger in 70s, so it's so simple. So I think what they have done with this character's look is basically how they say, right, that beauty in simplicity. That's it, that's what Kusum's look is.
Um, First of all, I have if people don't like certain things, they're always welcome to not watch the show or any content. In it happened in Calcutta. We have not kissed because it was because we wanted to sell something like that, or we were taking a liberty here. There are some certain moments, certain chemistries, certain scenes, moments. There are certain moments which cannot be described by a dialogue or by intensity or by looking into each other's eyes. There are certain moments that there are certain people who have to come together and express through their
Emotions.
through the kiss, and it's
Yeah.
only been done over there. It's not like every scene we meet we are kissing.
I remember when we
Kissing
spoke
is
about
also
it.
an expression in
Yeah,
itself.
exactly. And I remember when me and Karan spoke about this, and you know what Karan told me was this, that you know certain moments demands, like it's just words can't express, like you know, like कभी कभी हम बोलते हैं हम speechless है, तो आप speechless होते हो तो ये जो हमारे feelings and this is how you express, right? And it's just real. People do kiss in real when they're in love.
Yeah.
That's how you express that
I
to
mean,
the
the
loved
guys
one.
who are commenting.
Yeah, I mean,
like,
don't you
if
kiss?
your parents didn't kiss, you were not. I'm sure you wouldn't have been in on this.
And I think people now need to be more open about all these things
It's
because
not
that's how
actually
real
about-
it
see,
is.
I can see what happens is
It's
a
real.
lot of shows on web right now
Yeah.
are using the fact that if we show some skin or if we show some kissing or if we show some sex, we will get more views, right? So our show is not doing that. But obviously, because we are on that same platform, we will be scrutinized for that as well. But at the end of the day, the fact is that when somebody puts a kissing scenes, where are the views coming from? From you. So it's a demand and supply thing. You demand, we supply. You don't demand, we don't supply. I had to, but fortunately, Ronobir has a very strong, affinity towards the Western U.S. music in London, and he aspires to be in London. So he's a very different, sort of a character. Uh, Kusum, on the other hand, we didn't have to do anything because Nagma is born and raised in Calcutta, in Kolkata.
So my Hindi is very much like
It's cute.
someone
Bengal.
from Bengal will speak in Hindi. So it's actually in real
anatomy.
anatomy.
अब बोल रही है
अरे
पर
वो
मुझे
वो
से
वो वर्ड
anatomy.
नहीं, वो तो मैं समटाइम्स एक वर्ड होता है ना जो आपके ब्रेन बोलता है नहीं मैं नहीं समझूंगा मैं तो
हाँ,
कुछ भी
होता
कर
है. I
that's
get
that's
it.
that's
होता
what
है.
that was that day.
वो कौन सा
But there are
मतलब
words.
protested.
There was
Protested में फंस गया था.
पकड़ पढ़ाई डड़
मैं जा रही हूँ, नहीं, मैं-
डड़ में प्रॉब्लम होती है बिकॉज बचपन से मैं ऐसे बॉर्न एंड ब्रॉट अप हुआ
है कि नहीं उसका मेल फीमेल का भी problem
मेल
है.
फीमेल की भी होती है
Gender का बहुत
होती
बड़ा
है
problem है.
होता है सो दैट्स नेचुरल ठीक है
Natural.
डोंट बी हार्ड
Yes, I think Parth is also shooting for Sai. Me and Parth are very good friends. And Parth, I haven't seen the shots of his show, but the, what show is what is it called? Hero. Yes. So I've seen some of the shots from his show, but I didn't know if it was vintage or anything like that. I don't know. When I see it, I will know what is going on. But at the end of the day, Parth for me is like a younger brother, and I would have a competition with a lot of people. This would be the kind of competition that makes us grow. So when I look at Run Vijay, we do compete, but this is a competition which is like, which makes you grow. It's not something like that. So Parth is a part of the same family, so all the best for that, but I still have to see the show to find out. वो मेरा फंडा बहुत सिंपल है सबकी पिक्चर चले मेरी थोड़ी ज़्यादा चले Hi, I am Karan Kundra and you are watching me on Peeping Moon.